Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to update drivers in Windows 11. If you want to update the drivers of your camera, Bluetooth or any other feature and you don't know how to do it, then don't worry, in this video I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to simply get to your desktop, then click onto the Windows icon, click onto the settings icon, or you can also search for it. Once the setting gets open, then you have to look for the Windows update. If there's any update available in the Windows, you have to simply go for it and automatically all drivers will get updated. As you can see, here is the update available. So if that's so on your case, you have to simply update it. But let's say if your system is already updated. In that case, we have to simply go to the device management. So for that, search for device manager. You will see this option, click onto it. Then you will see all the devices and features included in the Windows will appear there. Now you have to simply select the one which you want to get their drivers updated. You can go for the camera, Bluetooth, whatever you would like to. I'm gonna show you how you can do it on a Bluetooth. The same will go on to any other. Now what you have to do is simply select any one of these options of which you want the drivers to be updated. You have to click onto it, new options will come up. You have to select the adapter option, do a right click and you will see the option for update drivers. Then you have to select the first option which is search for automatic update, and if there's any update available it will show you. But if these are already updated, then it says that these are already updated. You can see whatever written is there. That means there's no option to update them, the drivers are already updated. But if shows you any update, then you can click onto it and after that the drivers will get updated. So that's how you can update drivers in Windows. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.